Hi and welcome. I'm here with OnePlus 9 Pro and I'll be making a camera preview for this phone. So let's open up the camera and we'll start from the top left corner. At the first position we have got the timer, which allows us to take photos or record videos after a certain amount of time. And here we can choose between 3, 5 or 10 seconds of delay. On the next position we have got the flash option, which is currently disabled. We can enable it by turning off the super macro mode, which we do by tapping on this flower in the center of the top bar, like this. And now you can access settings of the flash. We can set it to be disabled, automatic or enabled. Here we can change the aspect ratio of our photos and videos. It's set to 4:3 by default, but we can make it fully expanded like this, or we can change it to be 1:1. Let's go back to 4:3. Now let's go quickly through the modes. We've got the standard one, photo, then we have got the portrait, nightscape, which is great for taking pictures in the night. Then we have got the pro mode, which gives us a lot of useful information, and then the tilt shift, which gives us a little blur at the edges. Now let's go back a little, because we have got the video mode, then the slow motion mode, panorama, and time lapse. Great. We can of course flip the camera by tapping on this button right there, so we can take a selfie. And right there we can choose from many filters for our photos and videos. And right there in the center there's a zoom option, which of course allows us to zoom in and out. Great. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.